Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Xplan Mortgage account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in iress.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the Iris Xplan Mortgage website. Now from the home page, click on the account icon at the top section and then click on Iris Viewpoint. You will now be taken into the login portal. Go ahead and type in your username or your login credentials and then underneath type in your account password. After typing both of these, you can click on the log on button and you will be logged in to your Xplan Mortgage account right away. In case you have forgotten your credentials, you will find the troubleshooting option at the bottom section which you can click and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Xplan Mortgage. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.